Hey, if your Whirlpool ice maker suddenly stopped making ice or just isn't working at all, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through simple fixes you can try step by step in 2026 before replacing anything. First, make sure the ice maker is actually turned on. Sometimes it gets switched off accidentally during cleaning or loading food. Ice makers only work when the freezer is cold enough, so set the freezer temperature to around 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Pull the fridge slightly forward and check the water line behind it. Make sure it isn't bent, frozen, or disconnected. A clogged water filter can stop water flow completely. If your filter is older than 6 months, replace it and try again. Now try resetting the ice maker. Locate the reset button underneath or on the side of the unit and hold it for about 10 seconds. Open the ice tray area and look for stuck or jammed ice cubes. Remove any blockage carefully so the tray can move freely. After resetting, wait a few minutes and listen for a small buzzing or water-filling sound. That means the valve is working. If your model uses a metal arm or sensor, make sure it's not stuck in the up position. The ice maker won't run if it thinks the bin is full. If there's still no ice, the issue could be a bad water inlet valve, motor module, or control board that may need replacement. So yeah, check the power switch, freezer temperature, water line, filter, reset the ice maker, remove blockages, and confirm the sensor is moving freely. And yeah, that's how you fix a Whirlpool ice maker that's not working in 2026. Try these quick fixes first, and you might get ice flowing again in minutes.